Welcome to PS-22. This is a follow-up course to PS-21. What ended up happening was there just wasn't enough time in one quarter to do everything we wanted to do, so we made a second course. Now, in order to get to PS-22, you would have had to successfully complete PS-21 with a passing grade. In this course, it's almost a cross between Genius Hour and PS-21. We take all the modern technology that we've learned, 3D printing, robotics, microcontrollers, whole bunch of stuff. And what we do is, first of all, add in new technology like vacuum forming, acrylic bending, more laser cutting. And then we take it and we have a heart for others in the world that need help with something. And we take our technology and say, what can we use our technology to do to help others, whether it be in the community, locally, nationally, or globally. So that is what this class is. It takes drive, it takes passion, it takes willingness to learn and willingness to fail. Welcome to PS-22.